back here in Iowa, in Des Moines, and we've completed 8 units of our development, which is behind me here. We recently won an award on this property, and we currently have, I believe, 4 or 5 units for sale, and we're waiting the results of this current real estate market. Let's take a tour of some of the exterior. Here we have a sense of the driveway coming off of Ingersoll. We have 4 entrances here, and toward the back here, these are the units we recently delivered. So here, the decks are up. These 4 units are now for sale, and as you can see, we've completed the retaining wall. We've completed the fence here. Along at the back of the property, you'll see where the next 8 units will be completed. The foundations are here, and in the back you see the pad poured for the future garages of the units at the rear of the site.